Hello everyone! Forget everything you think you know about the Hilux. The next generation GR Sport is shaping up to be more than just an appearance package. We are talking about a ground-up performance vehicle designed with one target in its sights: total domination. So, join me as we dissect the potential exterior design, dive into the driver-focused interior, talk about the game-changing power that could be under the hood, and speculate on the price of this off-road monster. The question is, will this finally be the truck that puts the entire world on notice? Let's start with the exterior, because the first impression this truck makes is one of pure aggression. The 2027 Hilux GR Sport will be wider, lower, and more muscular than any Hilux before it. The entire front fascia is a statement of intent. Gone is the standard Toyota badge. In its place, we expect to see the bold, heritage-inspired Toyota lettering across a unique, blacked-out honeycomb grille. This is a signature of GR performance models, and it gives the truck an intimidating presence. The bumper will be completely redesigned, sculpted for a much improved approach angle, allowing you to tackle steeper obstacles. An integrated heavy-duty aluminum skid plate will sit prominently underneath, not just for looks, but for genuine underbody protection. The headlights will likely be sleek, multi-element LED units, giving the truck a modern and menacing stare. Moving to the side, you can see the significantly wider track. The bold, blacked-out fender flares are not just for show. They are there to house the larger, more aggressive wheel and tire package. We're expecting unique 17 or 18-inch GR Sport alloy wheels, finished in a matte black or gunmetal gray, wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires straight from the factory. This combination, along with the increased ground clearance from the specialized suspension, gives the truck a powerful, planted stance. We can also anticipate functional rock sliders or reinforced side steps, providing both protection for the sills and a practical step for getting into the lifted cabin. The blacked-out mirror caps, door handles, and a potential GR decal package along the side would complete the rugged, performance-oriented look. That aggressive design language continues at the back. The rear bumper will also be unique to the GR Sport, likely shaped to improve the departure angle and finished in a durable, dark material. You can expect to see prominent GR badging and perhaps even a factory-installed sports bar in the bed, adding to the truck's adventurous aesthetic. Every element seems to be designed with purpose, screaming off-road capability and high-speed performance. Now, let's open the door and step inside, because the interior is where Gazoo Racing will blend that rugged functionality with a true driver-focused environment. You won't find basic utilitarian plastics here. Instead, you'll be greeted by GR-branded sports seats. These will be heavily bolstered to hold you firmly in place during high-speed off-road maneuvers, and likely upholstered in a premium combination of leather and a suede-like material for extra grip. Of course, you'll see the signature GR red stitching everywhere, on the seats, the dashboard, the door panels, and the leather-wrapped gear shifter. The entire cockpit will be oriented around the driver. We expect to see a brand new, fully digital instrument cluster. This screen would feature GR-specific animations on startup and customizable displays showing vital off-road information like pitch and roll.